Shandong Lucy New Energy Technology Company Limited is a modern renewable energy technology organization that focuses on research, development, and production of solar thermal technologies and products. The company is located in the economic development zone of Qingzhou, Shandong, covering 500 acres of land, and consists of a solar thermal energy collecting tube factory of 12,000 square meters, a manufacturing equipment factory of 9,000 square meters, and a solar air conditioning factory of 12,000 square meters. It's currently the largest solar air conditioning system producer and research center in China, with an annual production of 5 million solar collecting tubes and 1,000 central air conditioners. The company's research and development direction is in solar thermal energy equipment, solar dryers, and solar desalination. The company currently has over 300 employees, of which 30% have a master's or higher degree. The research and development team consists of senior specialists on solar energy and air conditioning and professors from Zhejiang Province and the Shandong Normal University. The company has received great support from the government and the community since its inception. The company's vision is to become the world's largest producer of solar thermal tubes and solar air conditioning systems. We strongly believe that education is the foundation of a nation and technology is the building block, which enables its prosperity and progress. The company has invested $100 million to build a 1,000-acre campus for Lishan College of Shandong Normal University in 2008. Thus, we've effectively integrated academics, research and development, and global enterprise development all into one seamless and holistic vision. Amongst our many projects, we've implemented a primary and secondary solar heating system at the Chuan Tai Ho Primary School in Qingzhou City, Shandong Province of China. The school is located at 36° northern latitude and has a winter average irradiance of 239 watts per square meter. The school's total area is 1,500 square meters and the heating area is 1,000 square meters. The heating efficiency is 35 watts per square meter. The project uses 1,140 tubes installed on an area of 226 square meters. Similar solar heating systems are a powerful way to solve winter heating problems and can be used to solve the heating needs of schools, hospitals, supermarkets, and four-storied buildings. Another key application is in solar energy central air conditioning systems, implemented at the Sun House, Lishan College, Shandong Normal University. The Sun House is a 516 square meters building in the university campus. The solar central air conditioning system consists of 560 solar thermal energy collecting tubes installed on an area of 86 square meters, a 35 kilowatt lithium bromide absorption system, and a geothermal circulatory system. The system uses solar energy to provide heating in winter, cooling in summer, and hot water throughout the year. A larger solar air conditioning system has been installed at the company's 5-storied office building. The building has an area of 4,400 square meters and uses 560 square meters of rooftop area for solar collecting tubes to run solar air conditioning in summer and floor heating in winter. The project delivers energy savings of up to 80%. The world's largest demonstration project of solar air conditioning is planned at the new library of Shandong Normal University. The library of Shandong Normal University has been donated by our company and has a total area of 51,000 square meters. Our solar air conditioning system will provide heating and cooling for the whole library area. These solar collectors are integrated with the building structure. Upon completion, this system will be the largest solar air conditioning project in the world. Another of our landmark projects is at the China Chang Liyangfei 5-star Hotel. The hotel has an area of 10,000 square meters. Our installed system contains 1,350 square meters of solar collectors and a 1.1 million kilocalorie lithium bromide absorption system, and supplementary natural gas energy to deliver substantial energy savings. Our project at the China Xinjiang Dao Lang Secondary School is the Xinjiang Autonomous Region, Kashi City. The school's shower centers built by our company are supported by our solar collecting tubes, which provide 30,000 liters of hot water per day. This system fully satisfies the hot water needs of students and teachers, and the company will be providing similar heating systems to schools around the country. A unique application of the company's technology is the decentralized high-rise panel wall solar energy heater project in Lucy's new city community. The project in Qingzhou is a green, environmental-friendly, high-end residential community. The project's solar energy heater panels are installed on the building facade and are integrated with each apartment, thus empowering every resident with green energy. This project achieves the perfect combination of solar energy technology and high-rise buildings. It can be flexibly installed on walls, balconies, roofs, and skylights, and completely solves the issues of wind resistance, safety, and snow and dust accumulation.